Hey, I just finished taking the 12-week masterclass with Lucinda, and let me tell you something, it was absolutely amazing. The reason why I decided to take the class was because I was ready to level up. I was ready to level up, and I knew that I was in good hands with Lucinda just by sitting in the room at the big ass. The way she poured into people, and even after pouring into so many people at the big ass, she saw my friend and I by the pool and sat and had a conversation with us about our lives. After the conference, after pouring into so many people, that's when I said, oh, wait a minute now. Lucinda the real deal. She's a real woman of God, and she wants to see people win. The thing that I like most about the 12-week masterclass is how Lucinda and her team are, that they make sure that you have what you need. They check in on you. They make you accountable. They give you an accountability partner, someone who is really going to call you, someone who's really going to check in on you to make sure that you're doing what you said you were going to do for yourself, for your business. And I appreciated that because the goal was to level up, right? That's what I needed to do. And she and her team helped me get there. The biggest impact that the 12-week masterclass had on my life is that I finished my book. It's a sisterhood. You meet connections with women all over the United States who hold you accountable, who genuinely want to see you win. But you get things done. You get things done with help, with accountability. And that's what I love most, that I finished my book. I've erased the book so many times. I've deleted the file because I didn't think that it was good. But let me tell you this. Lucinda's one-on-ones are next level. She sits and she hears you. She listens to you to help you get to your next level so that you can move forward in your business. And that's what she did for me. And for that, I am so thankful. Thank you, Lucinda. Right now, I just want to hand you your flowers. Here go your flowers. Thank you so much for creating this, for creating a judgment-free zone, a 12-week judgment-free zone, for someone like me to thrive in my business and understand what my impact is in my business. That's what this 12-week masterclass did for me. It helped me understand that I am impactful. And now I'm fully activated. And now I know how to ask big. So thank you, Lucinda.